ID2ME ID1, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to select the language that you would like to have. As you can see, there is plenty of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. In my case it will be English UK, and then tap on next. Then you can insert SIM card if you want to, but you can also skip it and do it later. I will skip it for now. You can also connect to the network. In my case Wi-Fi is HardReset.Info. Now your device has to check the connection, so give it a short while. As you can see, it will take less than 2 minutes. And now you can quickly copy any Google account that you have, but you can also skip it if you do not want to do it now. And now you can log in with your Google account. Let me do it. You don't have to do it right now, but you can. Let me log in with mine. HardReset.Info. @gmail.com. Once it's typed, just tap on next. Then it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once it's entered, just click on next icon here and then wait a short while. You should come along with all terms of service, so just click on the link. Hello. And here you've got all the documents, so you can open them, read them, and if you agree with them, click on I agree. Now wait a short while. Your device has to check all info one more time. You can also set up payment info, but I will skip it for now. And then here you've got the info that you can restore your app and data from one of these devices. So if you have your device around, you can restore your data. But I do not want to restore it, I want to set it as a new one. And then you can also set screen lock if you want to. I will skip it as well. You can do it later. Just take a look at our different videos with those instructions and skip anyway. And here you've got all the Google services. Tap on next, get Google now, so you can skip it or confirm that you would like to download all those info, but I will skip it for now. You can also set it up later, and as you can see, now you can start. Tap on got it. You can now set up the new wallpaper and adjust everything in your brand new ID2ME ID1. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.